Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start grammar worksheet of the topic Country of the Flag. 12.2 basic worksheet. There are many words in English that confuse us and can be used in the wrong context. Let us read about some commonly confused words in English. So many words that are confusing. So you have to study the commonly used confused words, which are they in English. See, these words sound similar but have different spelling and different meaning. Sound is similar, pronunciation is similar but different spelling and different meaning. Okay, that is the commonly confused word. Let us see. Lose. And LOS. Spelling is different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is same. Loose. First loose means ill-fitting, not fit. That is loose. And second loose is to misplace. I lose my bag. I lose my water bottle. Where I don't know. Okay, that is loose. First loose and second loose is spelling different, meaning is different, but the pronunciation is same. Affect. Affect. Somebody is saying this is effect, but effect. Effect. First effect is to influence something, and second effect is the result. Second is the result. In this way, we have so many times use this word principle. Principal, principle, and principle, principle. So many people get confused in very so many times in that in this case. Principal and principal. Principal. First principal means head of any institution, head of the school, head of the college. That is the principal. And second principle, principal, is the rule or guidelines of anything. That is the principal. Rule or guideline. This principal is head of the institution, school, headmaster. Okay, that is the principle. So now find out many meaning of the words and write them in the space. You can use a dictionary. So you want to do this, you have to do this. This is for homework. Find out the meaning of these words and write them in the space given, and you can use a dictionary for that. Okay, so you have to do. Now B, we will do B. Use the correct words from the brackets to fill in the blanks. It is very easy. You have to tell me which spelling is correct. Mrs. Soni is our school. Abhi explain kiya. School principal and principal. Which principal? Spelling, right properly. This. Correct. Correct everybody. Second one. I can understand your problem and I empathize or sympathize. Which one is the correct? Empathize or sympathize. I can understand your problem. I can empathize or sympathize. Which one? Yes, tell me. Empathize is the right answer. Correct. Right. Empathize. Third number. Number third. Ram is confused and needs our advice or advice. It's a advice. It's your advice. ADVRCE. ADVRCE. Correct. Number fourth. We need a huge loan to start this business. Which loan? LONE loan or LOAN loan? Which loan? LOAN loan. Correct answer. Correct. Right there. Loan. Number fifth. Number fifth. Slowly you are punting. Breathe slowly or breathe slowly. BREATH or BREATH. Which one? BREATH is the right answer. Right. BREATHE. Breathe. This is the correct answer. Number 6. I am too tired. I cannot walk further or farther. Number 7. 5th. I am too tired. 6th number. I cannot walk any farther or further. Which is further in the right. Very good. Further. Number 7. Number 7th. Ram has bought a policy to. Ram has bought a policy to. Ram has bought a policy to. Answer? Yes, insure or ensure? Insure. I-N-S-U-R is the right answer. Number 8. Number 8. Preeti received a letter in a yellow colored, fill in the blank, from his grandfather. Envelope or envelope? ENVELOPE or ENVELOPE? ENVELOPE. E is necessary. Next number, 9th number. The teacher could not elicit a response from Aditya despite her constant efforts. Number 9th. ELICRT. 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 Number 10. Number 10. You can always see. You can always see. Horse. HORDES. Horse. HORDES. Horse. These are the answer. Write down quickly. Write down everybody. So many students, 2 or 3 students joined late. Just write down quickly. Written? Okay. Tick the correct option to fill in the blanks. C. Now we are doing C. Tick the correct option to fill in the blanks. I have always valued your advice or advice. Which one? First one or second one? ADVIC is right or ADVIS is right? Write down. Write down. You have to tell me. Write in the chat box your answers. I have always valued your first one. What is the answer? C is first. ADVICE. I have always valued your advice. Second, Rima complimented me for my dancing. Which compliment is there? Spelling. Yes. So many students, nobody is answering. What happened? Just switch on your video. Yes. Complimented. Number third. This incident has affected me or affected me deeply. Affected. This incident has affected me deeply. Number fourth. Be careful. Don't lose your money or lose your money. Which lose? LOS lose, LOS lose. Lose, LOS lose. Number fifth. We need to stop by the stationery shop before my art class. Which stationery? STATION, NARY or NER? Which stationery? NERY is the correct answer. Stationery. Number 6. Rahul wants to immigrate to Canada. Yes, immigrate. Immigrate to Canada. Now this is called as the most commonly confused words in English. Now we are done this worksheet. Most commonly words in English. Okay. Write down everybody quickly.